Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can post on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Pinterest on your phone. After you open Pinterest, you can see the plus icon on the middle of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on Pin. Now what you need to do is select the photo you want to post. Go ahead and select any photo, and then you can see the next on the top right hand corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can tell what this title is about. I'll go ahead and write the title of the photo or anything you want to post. You can also see the description over here. You can go to your link and write down your link to the channel or anything, or link to your Pinterest. You can see you can do this. So you can tap on it, click next, write down the title, write down the description. After that, you can change the link. You can see pick a board. You can choose your board over here. After you choose a board, you can see add topics. You can search for topics over here. Just go ahead and search for the most common topics. So you can see you can add this on anything. So you can see some of the most used tags over here. So you can click on done. After that, you can see the advanced setting as well. You can allow the comments, so similar products. After that, click on create. In a while, your post will be published. If you want to view it, just go ahead and click on view, and there you go. This is how you can create a post on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.